Can't wait. The best thing ever is sneeze and fart at the same time. I can do that. I can do that. How much coke do you two want?
Tanzie drank half the pot. I like how Hanna comes out with the yeah.
That's what they do.
1, 2, 3.
That was crap.
Oh my god! Oh my god! What? I felt that.
And where's the picture of me and you in? I'm trying to put it as my display picture. So if I look...
Yeah. You might find a picture of me naked in
there.
Okay.
Oh, Mama! Mine's going to come up later on tonight, I bet.
Hanna!
One more.
She thinks it's vodka, honestly.
It would be fun if it was vodka.
She wants to fill herself with coke.
You're gonna be so bloated.
Get a pee box ready in case I'm sick. I need to piss so bad. Seriously, look at my stomach. Don't do that!
Go on. Someone go.
Oh no, you turning. Why are you turning that way? Don't keep turning. Just like. Oh my god, look at this. Pregnant.
Are you pregnant?
Woo! Look at this. That is disgusting. Can you look like you're pregnant? Can you imagine me like modelling like, hey? Modelling.
She thinks I'm sexy.
This.
Donkey.
Yes. Donkey. Wait.
Yes, this.
Okay, one last time, yeah? And I go for a week.
Seriously. Have you drinking the whole bottle?
We should try to drink the whole bottle.
I can do it.
Can I have a bit of coke before you drink it all?
Stuff this.
Oh, it's attractive.